So this is one of the important concept who are working as a data analyst or data engineer or data scientist or Snowflake developer working in the software industry. So based on the data jobs, those people must know what are the differences between data lake and data warehouse. This is one of the fundamental concept. So who are working as a Snowflake developer or ETL developer or database developer or data engineer or data scientist or data analyst jobs. So these kind of job profiles must know differences between data lake and data warehouse. So I am trying to explain this concept using one diagram. Then you can easily understand the difference between data lake and data warehouse. First, let me define what is data lake and data warehouse. So after that, we will understand the differences between data lake and data warehouse. First, let me tell you what is data lake. A data lake is also just like a database, but this database stores the data in the form of raw data. Okay, that means it stores the collection of organization data. Here raw data means like structured format data, unstructured format data, and streaming data, and multimedia data, and customer data, financial data, okay, social media data, okay, mobile apps data. Means it stores the huge amount of data irrespective of the data format. I hope you understand what kind of data is going to store in the data lake. I can say the technical definition of data lake. So data lake is a central repository to store the data in any organization, in monitoring and maintaining the data from various data sources and in the various format. Okay, I hope you understand what kind of data is going to store in the data lake. Only raw data is stored in the data lake. Now let me define what is data warehouse. So a data warehouse also treating as a database only, but it stores the large volume of data compared to database or data lake. With the help of this data, we can easily make the business reports, and we can easily predict the analysis of any business organization. So after that, we can make decisions as well based on our reports. So therefore, data warehouse is very important for any organization. Now let's differentiate data lake and data warehouse. Okay, see here. So this place is the data lake where we can store the raw data. We can access the data from different sources like structured data, unstructured data, financial data, cloud data, e-commerce data, social media data, IoT device data, so audio data, streaming data. Okay, all kind of data we can store in the place of data lake. Okay, you may ask doubt what are the examples for data lake. So you may see Amazon S3, okay, and Azure data lake, okay, etc. So there are some other data lake examples also there. Okay, so primarily used data lake services, Amazon S3, Azure data lake. Okay, I hope you understand what is the purpose of a data lake. After storing various raw data, then we have the responsibility to transform the data by using ETL concept: extract, transform, and loading. Okay, we have to load this raw data into data warehouse using ETL concept: extract, transform, and loading. Many people know what are the ETL tools are using. Informatica, okay, Talent. There are various tools are there to do extract, transform, and load the data. What kind of data is available in the data house? So with the help of this data, we can easily analyze the data, and we can easily create dashboards and reports as well. Based on our business requirement, we can easily make reports and we can easily create dashboards. That means with the help of this data, we can easily make data ready for queries. I hope you understand what is the main differences between data lake and data warehouse. So that's all guys, man. If you really like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.